We do appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by and watching our video and subscribing to our channel. Go ahead and hit that like button. Leave us a comment down below. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's another new day here. We're back here again with this 2001 Toyota Tacoma restoration. We're working on the bed. We still got a lot of work to do to the bed, and in the last video we did kind of get the fender flares all fitting up. That's about all we got. So what we got to do today is we got to get some fiberglass out, and on the top of this rail of the bed, I mean, you can see a couple of dents like right in there. You know, we got to, on the top of that bed, we got to put a little fiberglass just to kind of make it strong. Just make it look good. That's what we're going to do. You know, I got to get it dried off because it is wet, and I hope to get that much of it done, if not one side. That's my goal here today. So I am going to hop to it. I am going to work as hard as I possibly can and see if we can make something happen with this thing. It would be so great if I could get that far. So let's hop to it right now. And we have been making some quick work of that, and this is looking really, really good. I got the top of that all fixed up. Just got a couple of little low spots I'm gonna have to fill in just ever so slightly. And it's just, let me turn the camera around and check it out. I'm pretty proud of this job. Well, what I'm about to do now, I've got some primer mixed up. I'm gonna clean this bed side off with 30-30-30. I've almost got the whole side of the bed ready. The only thing is I'm gonna have to bounce out of here a little bit early. God, I wish I could stay and finish it up, man. I just like just this much. But you know, duty calls, and I got somewhere else I gotta be. So what I'm gonna do to just, you know, this sucker's gonna be outside, so we're gonna get this side primered where we got all our body work done, and that'll protect it. And then we'll just block it back down, fix those other little spots down at the bottom, and then we'll be good to go with this thing. Alrighty guys, boy, that bed, she is looking great. I mean, that thing is looking good. This bed, I mean, it's a little rough, but you know what? It's getting smoother by the minute. We have done just a super job on this thing, getting it kind of flattened out today. I wish I did have just a few more minutes of time, but I don't. So, you know, that just is what it is on that. But you know what? It's looking really good. It's looking really good. I wish somebody was here. I'd just about set it on the truck, see how it looked, but just can't do it by myself, you know. But we do have lots of exciting things planned for this channel. So that is going to be a wrap for today's video. We do appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by and watching our video and subscribing to our channel. Go ahead and hit that like button. Leave us a comment down below. Make sure those post notifications are on. Until next time, we're out.